Okay, you are welcome. We continue with the 1G, okay? Now we have this as our plate, okay? This side is called groove face, okay? Then we have this as the root face, okay? Now the groove face is 30 degrees, so 30 and then 30, okay? So the included angle becomes 60 degrees, 30 and 30, okay? So the two have been touched. Get me one little, the longer one. Alright, so as I said, groove face 30, groove face here also 30, okay? And then we're going to use a 3.2 diameter electrode for the root penetration. So the root face was also ground to a 3.2. And then the gap is also 3.2. So we call this root gap. So groove face, root gap, okay. Now, you were facing challenges with the root penetration. So we are going to do what we call pre-setting. And for the pre-setting, you're going to hammer from behind, small. It should be slowly, okay, minimum, otherwise it will break. So by so doing, the two will test that. Are you okay? And that's the effect of the pre-setting, okay? So after welding, after the first layer, you mean the wood penetration, you can now hammer it more for it to go down. Are you okay? Now you can still hammer it a bit. This is not always done, but because we are learning, okay, how to lay the pieces. All right. It is not always done. And then once again, forward, backward, forward, backward, in that order. Forward, backward. Maintain a constant arc length. Forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. Then you are moving, okay? Small, until you arrive at the end. So you're going to begin from the start to the finish. That's why we use the small angle grinder and then the cutting tool to reduce the turn speed, okay? And this time too was ground. This means that you're now going to start your welding from the beginning to the end. So the tacking here is not welding. Are you okay? Now there are some instances too. You can cut two pieces of plate, okay? So one is here. For that one, this tacking will not be done, okay? So the plate is welded to this one and this one. So in this manner. So one will be here, one will be here. Normally they call it land on, land off. So it means that this will not be touched, but rather the two are attached to the plate. So short plate, okay. One here, one there. And if I'm going to work, you will touch this plate to maybe the vertical pole for welding, okay. So that this one will remain unwelded. Then you can have your full length from here to this side. So there are several ways of cutting this. There are several ways, okay. But as you are learning, you will do more demonstration. So maybe next time you will cut two short plates. They are saying run on and run off. So one will be here, one will be there. So for example, this. One here, okay, and then one here. So that the gap remains and tight. Are you okay? So our interest was that I wanted to introduce to you pre-setting, and this is pre-setted blade. So from the behind, you see that it has tested out a bit. That's all. Any question? Any question? Okay, thank you.